Hey guys, welcome to the Nash house. I am Dominique and this is my trusty assistant Dakota. Today we want to make some
Cookies.
what kind?
Cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies, and we're going to use the Toll House recipe. So once we're done actually doing the cookies and we post the video, we're going to put the link to the recipe in the comments. Okay, so make sure you like, subscribe and view and share for the latest updates.
I don't know.
Alright, so we're about to get suited and booted so we can start cooking. Go get our aprons. Alright, so now that we're suited and booted, now we have to preheat the oven to 375. So take a look at that. Always make sure you set it to 375 for this recipe. That will actually properly cook your cookies evenly. That's a weird way to say that. Properly cook your cookies evenly. You like that?
No.
Aha! Alright. We're going to put our dry ingredients separately in a bowl.
No.
So we're going to do flour, where is it? Salt. Yep. Salt, flour, and
Sugar.
no, I'm missing my baking powder. No, baking soda. Alright. So we need to do 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Now you don't have to get fancy with the flour. It doesn't matter the brand. Just make sure that you have 1/4 cup, 2 of those for this recipe. Can you get me the butter knife, please?
I got it.
Alright, go ahead and make sure that's even. Nope.
Wait, what? Oh, yeah.
Remember? Yeah, we wanted to make sure we get exactly 1/4. Now, can you put that in a sifter? See that? Ain't that cool?
Yeah.
Alright, go ahead. There we go. Alright, now it's even. Here, hit the bottom. Alright, we got it all out. Alright, now we need to get 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Oh, hi, Diedrich.
Oh, hi.
Hi, you want to cook?
Yeah.
Well, I'll let you put in the baking soda. Ready? 1 teaspoon. So this is the teaspoon. Oh, you just washed your hands. Good job. Okay, hold on. Let me get you 1 teaspoon. Here. Come over here. Put it in there. Awesome. Good job. So that's 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we need 1 teaspoon of salt. Can you get the salt for me, Dakota?
I do this one. Okay, Mama?
Alright, now I want you to pour it in the teaspoon.
I'm going to cook this. I'm going to cook.
Got it? Keep going. Hold on. Almost there. Alright, good. Now, you're going to make a mess making these cookies, guys. That's the whole point of getting in the kitchen, is to get all messy and dirty. Alright, now that we have all of our dry ingredients in the sifter. Okay, hold on. Now that we have all of our dry ingredients in a sifter, now we're going to sift them. So take a look at this. Look at that. Now that mixes it all properly. Ain't that great? Look at that.
Hey!
Alright, so we're done with the sifter. You can put that away. Now we're going to take a quick break so we can move on to the next step and I can get my little one out the kitchen. Now it's so helpful that I have a helper in the kitchen to help me do this. You probably have one of those fancy mixers. Hopefully the cameraman is listening. I want that for Christmas. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.
What's that?
Hint, hint.
What's wink, wink, nudge, nudge, hint, hint?
You might not get it, but my viewers do. Alright. What's the next step, baby girl?
Next step. Beat in flour mixture. Great.
Rigorously. Okay, now come and pour the flour mixture in here while I'm mixing. Always pour from this end. That makes it easier. Okay, wait a minute. It's okay. I just want to make sure I get it all mixed in. Alright, give me some more. Go ahead, pour it all in. Hit the bottom of the bowl. Alright. Okay. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm going to get this mixed up and I'm going to have her to grease our pans. We have 2 cookie sheet pans that we're going to put our cookies on. If you want to, you can put parchment paper down. I went to the Dollar Tree and it was all balled out. So, we're going to put Pam on our pans to make sure our cookies don't stick, but we'll be right back. The next step that we're going to do, the recipe calls for 2 whole cups of chocolate chips, which equals up to be this entire bag. So we're going to pour those chocolate chips in, pour them in. And you don't want to use the mixer for this, you actually want to fold it in with a spatula. I really want to get my bigger spatula to fold it in with and get my cookie dough off of there. And you want to fold it in so you don't cause too much friction with that metal and start making the chocolate chips melt. Because then you'll have like really big chunks. Always fold in the chocolate chips. Look at that. It looks yummy. Alright. Look at that. Oh, you did a great job. Thank you. Alright, so the next step is to actually spoon out, I'd say probably a good inch or 2 with the cookie dough and put them on the cookie sheet. We're going to get that done. It should make a batch of 40 cookies. Now, you're going to have some dough left over after you put 24 of them in the oven. You can freeze it. You can put it in the refrigerator. I like to freeze mine and then take it out and put it in the refrigerator the next day. And then we have cookies for at least 2 days. Alright, welcome back guys. So we are scooping out our cookie dough to put them on the actual cookie trays. As I told my daughter, you want to take a big scoop, or a semi-big scoop. This one is kind of big, but it'll be a nice cookie. And you want to use the back of the other spoon to kind of get it off of there. And there you go. Perfect. That one's going to be a big cookie. Is that going to be your cookie?
Yeah.
Ah, Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster. You gotta give them some space.
And you have to give them space on the cookie sheet so they can spread properly.
This is good. Cookie and I'm Cookie Monster.
Looks great.
Right? How do you?
And now I have all my rolls done. Let's see how Dakota's working out. Oh, it's so beautiful, Dakota.
Thank you.
Can I help you?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Excuse me. Watch out, Deidre. Say hello to the people on the camera. Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Right there. Say hello.
Hello. Minions say hello. They say hello.
The minions?
They say, this is how they say hello. Hello.
Hello.
I mean.
You like minions? Okay, that's enough. Alright, so the time that you want to put these cookies in the oven, you want to leave them in here for at least 10 to 12 minutes. You see the bottom of them are golden brown. So we're about to put our batch in. The rest of this I am actually going to freeze so we can have tomorrow.
There you go.